Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in today's video, I have decorated a table for two, vintage style. So come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. All right, so let me show you exactly what I did. So we're going to start back here. I absolutely love this bird, guys. Not only do I like the that design on it, but it also has like a little crystal that hangs from it, so dainty. I love it. Now this over here is a DIY. Not sure if I released a video already, but it's a vintage little bouquet that I turned around and placed on one of the stands. Now this is how I decorated my napkins. Is that not beautiful? Little bunny ears. So the napkin was gifted. The napkin rings came from Party City. The tablecloth was a thrifted item, I believe. It could have been gifted. I'm not really positive about that. But let's move on over here. So look at my tableware. I am loving it. This is a cream color, not white. And so I bought these at Home Goods. So I'm loving those. Now, here is a little dessert plate, and this one here is thrifted. I absolutely love it. Looks like a flower. Then we have these navy blue dishes that I purchased at Dollar Tree, I believe. And then this here, believe it or not, I think I got these. Yep, I got these for $2. Isn't that a beautiful pattern, guys? I got these at Dollar General. Okay, and then these chargers here did come from Hobby Lobby. So I am loving those chargers. I use them for everything. Now these placemats, guys, I am loving them. So you won't believe I purchased these at Dollar Tree. Is that not gorgeous? Look at those butterflies. I'm absolutely loving the stuff that the Dollar Tree is getting in now. They're definitely stepping up their game. So this is how I layered it. So we placed a charger down. And then I was looking for another plate to use, the salad plate. But then I said, you know, I'm really liking how this navy blue looks on that plate. And I hope you do too. And then, of course, I found my favorite dish. And I decided to go ahead and place that in the center. The water glasses came from Goodwill. So the candle and the candle holder that came from the Dollar Tree. So pretty much this is a budget-friendly tablescape, guys. And yes, I gotta let the dogs in, so we're gonna cut the video a little bit short. And here is this bunny standing up, and that bunny was laying down, guys. So I just kind of popped him out of that little opening. So this is my vintage tablescape for two. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Let's head on over to the reveal. All right.